go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried.
Yo, chilling at the Jomtien Beach, guys, in Pattaya. It's hot as hell today. Sweating already, and it's early. It's only like 7 a.m. and I'm like sweating already. That's how crazy hot it is down here. It stays like in the 93, 95 degrees almost every day. Early in the morning, and then it peaked during the noon hours, like the midday hours. But anyway, I'm at the beach. Just want to show you boys what it's like, and you girls what it's like during the early morning here in Pattaya. The city really never sleeps. You got the nightclubs that open up all the way till like 4 and 5 in the morning. You got, you know, everybody up already that early and going crazy. The only thing bad is that in Thailand, it do get dark faster than usual. Oh yeah, this is it. They get dark around like 5. Well, not only in Thailand, that's in all the Asian countries. They get dark around like 5 in the evening. So you really got to make the most of the day before it gets too dark. Well, so, yeah. All right, so we're gonna walk, take a stroll, and see what we can find and get into. That's the Jomtien sign right there on the right. See, they setting up shop already. This is one of the cool chill spots I like to go to. Come here and just relax. You know, get some fresh coconut. Chill, listen to the sounds of the waves. Then across right here, you got like all the restaurants over there. And the bars and everything like that. So, yeah, man. Anyway, this is Pattaya, man. There's tons of more things to do than just the nightclubs. You just gotta go out there and find it. So one of the tips I could give you is to make a good friend with a local. They would take you around and show you a lot of things a lot of tourists don't know about. Hidden places. I've been a gang of temples I didn't know was here in Pattaya. Been a gang of hidden gems just because I made friends with the locals and they knew exactly where to take me, or they knew some hidden spots is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, man, this beach goes on for miles. You'll be walking this beach for hours. So starting all the way back there, walking all the way this way. This is like on the away from the central Pattaya area that everybody's familiar with, like the base, the edge, those type of places. And Walking Street, this is the more quieter side. But this is what it looks like before the day gets started. So yeah, but hey, it's peaceful here. I love being on this side of town because I don't have to worry about too much going on, and you're not always in the middle of the craziness. You can just hop in and hop out whenever you want to. So yeah, like I was saying, like in my opinion though, if you're gonna come to Pattaya, 2 weeks is pretty much all you need here as well. They got a lot to do here, but it just get real repetitive in my opinion. The better destination would be Bangkok. You could easily spend more than a month there and never getting bored of the place. Here you start see the same people over and over, doing the same thing over and over, get real repetitive. And like within your second week or later, and when your first week, you be ready to go see something new, do something different. So that's the problem I be having too most of the time when I'm here in Pattaya. I be running out of things to do and be feeling like, damn, I could be going somewhere else and seeing some new things and doing some new things. So that's just my advice for the guys who never been here. Come here just for a week and see if you like it. Then you can extend it, you know what I mean? So don't just have all of your plans booked, set in stone on being here for a long time. See if you like it first, because at the end of the day, most of the people are here, whether they want to admit it or not, it's for the girls. I mean, Thailand got especially in Asia. Asia got a lot of beautiful girls everywhere, man. I've been to a lot of countries, and they up there with Thai girls. Trust me. So yeah. So yeah, we just walking the beach. Today is Songkran, which is the holiday of the new year for the Thais. So they get out here and like to play with the water. It lasts like for a week in Pattaya. And you gotta be careful because they shut down the streets. So if you gotta get home during those times, you're gonna have a hard time getting to the airport. You might even miss your flight, so you just gotta plan ahead. Like me, I'm leaving on the 15th, and it's during Songkran, so which means I'm gonna have to leave early in the morning to get to the airport. Well, my flight is already at 9, so I'll be fine, but still gotta leave early in the morning just to get to the airport on time. So, and it's the busiest time for Thailand. So give yourself plenty of time, especially when you're at the airport. A lot of people ask me how soon should I be there for my flight. Always 3 hours. Always 3 hours before your takeoff. So if your plane leaving at 9, get there at 6. So you give yourself plenty of time to get checked in, go to the immigration TSA, get on your plane and board. All right, so we're gonna do some more walking. Let's go ahead. All right, guys, so we're gonna do some more walking. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so like always, I appreciate you guys for locking in and, you know, watching the video, listening to what I gotta say, leaving comment, like, or subscribing. I always appreciate that, you know what I mean? So with my channel, I just try to share positive things. I could, you know, go out there and film the highly entertaining things that everybody love, but they're just not in my character, so that's outside my character. So what you see is what you get. This is me on and off camera. So yeah, appreciate you guys for locking in with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Peace.
Still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.